You know, when everybody hates something, oddly enough, it makes me like it. This right here is one of them times. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another review, and this is for the Pharrell times Adidas NMD Human Race. So yes, I finally got myself a pair of Human Race. I literally never thought that was going to happen. I've taken an L on every single release that's come out. Adidas, fail. Raffles, fail every single time. Shout out to my boy Sam. He actually copped a pair of Human Race recently. And it was kind of a sort of little motivation to me, thinking actually it is possible to get a pair. He actually got a dope pair from, I think it was the previous drop, the last pair that came out before this one here. And they're super fire. So I was kind of already in the mode looking for Human Race. He did actually mention to me that don't stress, if you actually like these pair, they're probably going to be sitting Adidas Originals. I didn't think it was going to be the case, but I kept seeing on my Twitter feed that restock, they're available here on all these different websites. I figured, oh, maybe I can actually go and try someone, see what they're like in person, and is that exactly what happened today. So I went to the Adidas Original store in Carnaby Street. They had a bunch of Human Race boxes behind the counter. Asked for a 10.5, so I can talk about sizing straight away. Asked for a 10.5, tried them on, and they fit not too bad, to be honest. It wasn't too bad, but my toe was kind of right at the front. But it's a stretchy prime knit, so it wasn't that big a deal. But I decided to go for a size 11 in the end because it fit just a little bit more comfortable. But enough waffling about that. Let's open it up and show you the shoes. So they come in, which I believe is your standard Human Race box. It says Hue on the box there. Then it's got Pharrell Williams, the Adidas trefoil logo, and it's in all these bunch of colors. I'm assuming the colors is different to what you normally get with this pair because this is the Solar Hue sort of pack. But anywho, on the box, UK 10 Solar Hue NMD is what is written here. And yes, this pair right here, I'll say it straight off, as I said sort of in the intro, definitely not the most desirable Human Race for people. There's a reason why they're probably sitting at the moment, but oddly enough, I find them to be super dope. So it is what it is. Anywho, let's open up. So, boom. Here are the sneakers in all their glory. And there is a lot going on here. They are a mad shoe. I put a poll on my Instagram and I was saying, because I tried them on, took a picture, I said, cop or nah. It was 47% cop, 53% nah. One of my boys, Suji Cypher Sons on Instagram, he messaged me and he said, is the poll actually going to influence you? And I was like, ultimately, probably not. If it was overwhelmingly yes, probably it would push me even further, but I pretty much decided that I was up for it anyways. The first time I went into the shop, I tried in the 10.5. I wasn't sure, went back, tried in the 11s, and I was pretty much sold. So we got them. I'll show you the up close details, because as I said, there's a lot going on. So first of all, you can obviously see the sort of hits from the whole NMD model, but it's Pharrell's take on that. Every single pair he's done before have pretty much been like one solid color. I believe the last pack, which name, I think it was the Holly pack maybe, something like that. It was all tie-dyed. That was like the first sort of pack where it was all different colors. Generally, it's one solid color. Again here, he's gone crazy with the pattern on it. And like all NMDs, it has some writing on the toe here. This particular model, it says Motherland, as you can see, Motherland. Pretty cool little hits, but I'll show you the proper details. So first of all, the material, it is an all over prime knit shoe. I'd say prime knit wise, it is in between a Yeezy 350 V2 and a NMD. Like, it's not super tough like you find on the 350 V2s where it has no give, but it's also not super duper stretchy like you find on some NMDs and some Ultra Boost as well. But it's a nice, it's pretty much the perfect sort of knit, I would say. And pattern wise, this is the bit that has put a lot of people off, to be honest, and I'm pretty sure I know why. This big white square patch here, it is an odd design. From the side, it looks more fire than when you look from the top, it's like, eh? What's going on here? But I still like it. I don't know why, but it just ticks the boxes for me. Yeah, it's got this big white piece here. Couldn't tell you the reason for it, but it's the design choice it's gone for. Then otherwise, it's got this pink, grey, sort of black and white knit pattern going, stripes going all across the shoe. This white bit wasn't here, you'd obviously see it going all the way across, but otherwise it's blocked up. Goes all the way to the back of the shoe as well. You've got this little green hit here, and it says Pharrell Williams. Nice little touch. Never noticed that until like recently. I just noticed it was written there. And then you've got the lacing system, which is absolutely crazy. This side little cage here has loads of different holes, so you can lace it in all different ways, I'm assuming. As I said, I've never had a pair before, so I've never even tried to see like what sort of system you can go for, but I'm sure there's some little crazy ideas you can do with the laces, because there's loads and loads of little holes, but probably leave it stock how it is because it looks pretty fire. But yeah, it's got this light blue cage here, and you also got the little NMD pods that you get with all NMDs, just here in blue. Then you've got a full boost sole. I still say React is life, but boost is still life. It's the same thing. The sole of the shoe, super duper bright yellow. This is sort of what separates each pack, really, each shoe that came out in the pack. There was 3 shoes. One had a yellow bottom, one had a red, and I cannot remember the color of the other one, but I'm sure I'll be posting pictures up during this review. They've gone for the sort of tougher sole on this shoe compared to what they've usually gone for. I can't remember what they call it now. The word's gone out of my head, but I'll put it down below. But they've gone for a thicker version of that sole compared to what they normally have with trail. That's the word, the trail sole. They've gone for a thicker version of the trail sole in this one to make it more durable, as you can see. Bright yellow, and it's got Adidas written here in the center. Another little crazy touch to go with the whole theme of the solar hue, because it's based on like an East African theme with the crazy patterns and all that. It's got there's loads of little colors going on about the sock liner where you actually put your foot in. Nice little touch, and the insole as well. No actual bits inside the shoe here. It's literally just a little pattern around the boots, which you find generally on NMDs. I don't know why they don't put insoles in them, but it's just something that they do. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the design wise. Oh yeah, the laces come with these white and black laces. And I noticed on the second pair, they have some blue laces as well. The white, the blue, I'm not sure which one to go for. I think the blue might make these look even more crazy with the pattern, because right now it's crazy enough. So maybe the blue make it extra crazy, but it might also break up the colors. I don't know. I might go for it one day, but while I love my extra laces, how many times I actually change it is very rare because it takes time. But yeah, that is pretty much a quick look of the whole shoe. I'm gonna chuck them on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. So yeah, that was a quick look at the Pharrell times Adidas Human Race NMDs on feet. What did you think? Did they look better than you thought? Worse than you thought? I don't know. I got a couple of messages when I put up my sort of poll on Instagram. My boy was like, they look horrible, they're trash, don't cop them. But it oddly enough motivated me to get them even more. I really like it. When people hate stuff, I don't know what it is, it makes me like it even more. That goes for everything, not even just sneakers, it's just how I am, I guess. But I actually like them, so it is what it is. So yeah, that was a quick look. I told you about the sizing before. You can go with what I said, or you can go to the shop and try them on yourself. Half a size up at the very least. Full size up is what I did, and it was extra comfortable, so take that in mind if you do try and cop them. But yeah, fire flames, crazy shoe, big price, but it is what it is. Anywho, hopefully you enjoyed the video. More videos to come as usual. Follow me on Instagram, which is @ashbashsneakers, and Twitter is perfection7. Upload videos every single Monday, waffling on about sneakers or whatever, and sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up. Anywho, I'm out. Later, y'all.